Hello my dear children, good morning to you all. So welcome to our English class. Okay, so today before moving on to our class, we are moving on to the COVID protocols. Stay safe, don't go outside unnecessarily, use sanitizers, wash your hands frequently, use mask whenever you are going out, and also keep social distancing for all others and ourselves to be safe. Okay, so now moving to Swamiji's cards, that is, actions are the louder expressions of our thoughts. What does that mean? Actions, what do you mean by actions? പ്രവൃത്തികൾ അല്ലേ, ആൻഡ് തോട്ട്സ് മീൻസ് ചിന്തകൾ അല്ലേ, നമ്മുടെ ചിന്ത. അപ്പോൾ സ്വാമിജി ഈസ് ടെല്ലിംഗ് ദാറ്റ്, what is Swamiji is telling? Yes, actions are the louder expression of thoughts. That means if your thoughts are always good, all your actions will be good. And if your thoughts are bad, all your actions will result in bad. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ നല്ല ചിന്തകളാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാ ആക്ഷൻസും നല്ലതായിരിക്കുമെന്നും, മോശമാണ് നമ്മുടെ ചിന്തകളെങ്കിൽ our actions will result in a bad matter അല്ലേ, നമ്മുടെ ആക്ഷൻസ് എല്ലാം ബാഡ് ആയിട്ടായിരിക്കും ഫീൽ ചെയ്യുക. Okay, so always think, yes, in a good way, always help others, care others, don't harm others. Okay, so we are moving on to our English lesson. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, new chapter, new story. The name of the new story is The Wind and the Sun. Okay, so before moving on to the story, I just want to ask you one thing. Who is more strong? Is our wind or is our sun? Who is stronger? If a question is asked like this, obviously many of us will tell that wind is more stronger than the sun. അല്ലേ, കാറ്റിനാണ് സൂര്യനെക്കാളും ശക്തി എന്ന് ഒരുപാട് പേര് ആൻസർ പറയും, ഇൻക്ലൂഡിങ് മീ. മിസ് പോലും അങ്ങനെ പറയുള്ളൂ. Anyway, in this story we can check who is more stronger. Is it the wind or is it the sun? Okay, so moving on to the chapter. The Wind and the Sun is actually a story that is adapted from Aesop's Fables. Aesop's Fables is a very famous book. It is actually a collection of many stories, many fables. Fables means short stories. Okay, many stories. And the author of that book, Aesop's Fable, is Aesop itself. Okay, Aesop എഴുതിയ Aesop's Fables എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ബുക്കിൽ നിന്ന് എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ചെറിയ സ്റ്റോറിയാണ് നമുക്കിന്ന് പഠിക്കാനുള്ളത്. ക്ലിയർ? ആൻഡ് ദ സ്റ്റോറീസ് നെയിം ഈസ് ദ വിൻഡ് ആൻഡ് ദ സൺ. വാട്ട് ഈസ് വിൻഡ്? കാറ്റ് അല്ലേ. ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് സൺ? സൂര്യൻ. സോ ദിസ് സ്റ്റോറി ഈസ് ബേസ്ഡ് ഓൺ എ കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ that is done by our wind and the sun. നമ്മുടെ സൂര്യനും കാറ്റും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഒരു മത്സരമാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഈ സ്റ്റോറി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, so shall we read? Okay, so take your textbook. I will read. The Wind and the Sun, adapted from Aesop's Fables. Wind, sun, can you see that man walking down the road? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. Sun smiling, we will see who is stronger. I will let you drive first. Wind puffing his cheeks and blowing hard, woo, woo, woo. So our wind is coming to the sun and telling that, sun, can you see that man walking down the road? Sun, can you see? A man is walking down the road. I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. Listen. Yes, I means wind. Wind can get that man's coat off more than you. You means the sun can. Understood? That is, a man is walking through the road and our wind is telling that, listen sun, I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. So this man is wearing a coat. അല്ലേ, ഒരു കോട്ട് ധരിച്ച ഒരാൾ റോഡിലൂടെ പോകുന്നത് ആര് കണ്ടു? യെസ്, our wind. വിൻഡ് കണ്ടു. വിൻഡ് എന്നിട്ട് വന്ന് സണ്ണിനോട് പറയാണ്, സൺ, ഐ ക്യാൻ ഗെറ്റ് ഹിസ് കോട്ട് മോർ ക്വിക്ലി ദാൻ യു. സണ്ണിനെക്കാളും മുമ്പേ എനിക്ക് മീൻസ് വിൻഡിന് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? അയാളുടെ കോട്ട് അയാളെ കൊണ്ട് ഊരിപ്പിക്കാൻ സാധിക്കും. Okay. Son, can you see that man walking down the road? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. So our son is replying, smiling. We will see who is stronger. I will let you try first. Okay. I also agree with you. We can conduct it as a competition. Let's do competition. First, I am going to give you a chance. I am not doing anything. First, I am going to give you a chance. To whom? Yes, to wind. So, our son smiled and said, I am also there in this competition, but anyway, I am not going to do it first. You, the wind, is going to do it first, to try it first. What to try? Yes, to try to take that man's coat off. Okay. Wind puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. Puffing his cheeks means, yes, we will do like this. Isn't it? Yes, we will inhale the air in order to blow hard. Air inhale. That is puffing. Okay. Puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. Woo, woo, woo. Listen, it is the sound of the wind. Sound? Yes, that is the sound. Woo. So, the wind blew harder. Man, how strong the wind is today. It is blowing my coat away. I must hold it lightly round myself. Wind blowing harder. Woo, woo. Listen, our man is now thinking how strong the wind is today. Isn't it? So like the same way, this man is also thinking how strong is the wind today. This Shaktiyaya Kaatana inna. It is blowing my coat away. Oh, this wind is blowing my coat away. I must hold it tightly around myself. So what should I do? Yes, I must hold it tightly around myself. We also do like this, isn't it? If we are going outside without umbrella and if a wind comes, what will we do? Yes, we will keep it tight, isn't it? So in the same way, this man is, yes, making his coat so tight that it should not fly away. Understood? Again, our wind is blowing harder. No. So what is this man doing? This man is, yes, keeping it so tight and our wind is blowing so harder. Wind is Shakti aita Nishana. Why? Yes, in order to blow that coat off. Man pulling his coat more tightly, how cold it is. So even this wind is blowing harder, our man is, yes, making this coat more and more tight. Man coat, yes, tight hold. Okay. Wind, sun, I give up, I cannot get his coat off. So this wind failed. So wind is now telling to the sun that I give up. Give up means tolvi sammadichu. I cannot get his coat off. So I cannot get his coat off. എനിക്ക് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ കോട്ട് മാറ്റാൻ സാധിച്ചില്ല. Okay, understood up to that? So again summarizing it up to there. One day wind is coming and telling to the sun that yes, a man is going through that road, so I want to make his coat off. So our wind began to blow harder and harder, and what happens? Will the coat go? No, isn't it? So our wind comes to the sun and tells that yes, I give up. So next is your turn. Next is the turn of our sun. We can see what happens. Okay. Sun. Now it is my turn. Let me try. He shines hard. So now whose turn? Yes, now it is the turn of our sun. And what is the result? The sun began to shine harder. Surya nalla pole diyan thodangi, bright aayittu thalangan thodangi. So what will be the result? Will it be cold or hot? It will be very hot. Isn't it? Yes. Man, what a funny day. it was so cold and now it is so hot. So our man is wondering now. അല്ലേ മനുഷ്യൻ ചിന്തിക്കുകയാണ് what a funny day. ഇത് രസകരമായ ദിവസമാണെന്ന്. It was so cold and now it is so hot. Before sometime it was really cold. അല്ലേ കുറച്ച് സമയം മുമ്പേ ഭയങ്കര കോൾഡ് ആയിരുന്നു. But now it is very hot. Sun shining harder. I will make him feel hotter and hotter. So again our sun began to shine harder and harder. And it is telling that I will surely make him feel hotter and hotter. അല്ലേ സൂര്യൻ ഒരുപാട് ബ്രൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് നിന്നാൽ we will feel hot. Isn't it? Yes. Man wiping his face. So sweat began to come through his face and body. So he began to wipe his face. അല്ലേ മുഖം തുടയ്ക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി. എന്തുപറ്റി? Yes, വിയർക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി. I must take off my coat. At last the man decided to take off his coat. Sun, wind, I have won. I have made him take off his coat. So sun is now telling to the wind that I have won. Who won? Our sun won because sun was able to take off his coat. അല്ലേ കോട്ട് മാറ്റാൻ വിൻഡിനെ കൊണ്ട് സാധിച്ചോ? No. Then who tried it and who gained it? Yes, our sun won that competition. Understood? Yes. So from this story we came to understand that who is more stronger? Yes, the sun is more stronger than the wind. Isn't it? Yes. So listen, in all the cases it is not like that. അല്ലേ എല്ലാ കേസിലും sun ആണോ കൂടുതൽ stronger? No. Okay. So both sun and the wind are stronger, but here in this story who is more stronger? Sun is more stronger. Okay, so now we can move on to our new words. The new words that we studied in this chapter are rode, caught, quickly, stronger, cheats, won. So listen, rode. Rode means നമ്മുടെ റോഡ് അല്ലേ വഴി എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയും. റോഡ് മീൻസ് വഴി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇസ് കോട്ട്. വാട്ട് ഇസ് കോട്ട്? യെസ്, നമ്മൾ കോട്ട് മഴ വരുമ്പോൾ ധരിക്കാറുള്ളത് റെയിൻ കോട്ടാണ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ കോട്ട്. ജാക്കറ്റ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് എ കോട്ട് അല്ലേ. ഐ വിൽ ഷോ ദ പിക്ചർ ഓഫ് ദ കോട്ട്. ദിസ് ഇസ് എ കോട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ? ദെൻ ക്വിക്ക്ലി. ക്വിക്ക്ലി മീൻസ് സഡൻലി, പെട്ടെന്ന്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ stronger. Stronger means harder, കുറച്ചും കൂടി ശക്തിയായി. That is stronger. Then cheeks. What is cheeks? Cheeks means നമ്മളുടെ കവിള്. Okay, നമ്മളുടെ കവിളിനെയാണ് cheeks എന്ന് പറയുക. Okay, then won. Won means win എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയാറില്ലേ, ജയിച്ചു എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിനെയാണ് won എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, reading the new words once again. Rode, caught, quickly, stronger, cheeks, won. Rode means വഴി. Caught means yes, നമ്മുടെ ദേഹത്തിൽ ധരിക്കുന്ന ഡ്രസ്സിന്റെ പുറത്ത് ധരിക്കുന്ന കോട്ട്. Then next quickly, പെട്ടെന്ന്. Stronger, ശക്തിയായി. Cheeks, കവിള്. And the last one won, ജയിച്ചു. Understood? Okay. So once again we'll summarize the story for you. So here our wind is coming to the sun and telling one man is going through the road, walking through the road. I will try to make his coat off. So our sun smiled and said, okay, you can do it. First I am giving you the chance to do so. Okay, so our wind began to blow harder and harder. The man began to feel cold. And what happened? Yes, even the wind is blowing harder. This man began to hold his coat more tightly. At the end, yes, our wind fails and he comes to the sun and tells, next is your chance, your turn. So our sun began to blow hotter. And what happens? Our sun began to shine harder. And what happens? Yes, the man began to feel hot. Isn't it? So at last he wipes his face because of the sweat, because of that hot feeling. And at the end, yes, sun won. And the man takes off his coat because of the hot climate. So here, who is the winner? Sun is the winner. Understood the story? Okay? So hope you understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Then We'll meet you in the next day. Notes will be given today. Okay. So thank you all. Have a nice day.